Here is a test of a very old, or should I say classic, or should I say vintage, Royal typewriter. Put the paper up. It's actually not inked very well, so currently you can't see the print that well. Sometimes it sticks up as well. I think some keys have issues, I'm not sure. I don't know what mark release is. Oh, this tab set button. That makes sense for some of its behavior. It was wanting to go to certain places. So yes, you can set tabs and have that come up. And there you have it. Let's take a look. So yeah, I actually applied. Hello. You can't really make it out, but this camera is not focused correctly. It works, though I don't think I would get rid of my word processor just yet. It's very finicky and a very cumbersome process, but just to show some of how it works. Actually, this was having difficulty closing, so I pushed it out a little bit, and now it doesn't. Well, it actually will stay, but it's not as tight as it could be. If you're a handy mechanic type, you see under the bottom, it actually has all kinds of little springs and stuff. There's all the individual keys. When you get to the end of the line, it has the bell. Crank this and all kinds of buttons. Okay, that is the end of the typewriter review.